What's good, traders? Let's talk about one of the most important charts in the market right now, SOXX. Because right now, semiconductors are driving market sentiment. If Soxx keeps pushing higher, the triple Qs and tech likely continue higher with it. But if this chart starts breaking down, the broader market could finally feel real pressure. Starting with the monthly chart, the long-term trend is still extremely bullish. Soxx completely cleared the major breakout zone around 360 to 370 and has now entered a vertical expansion phase. But the issue right now isn't trend direction, it's extension. Price has accelerated aggressively from roughly 380 all the way above 520 with almost no meaningful consolidation underneath. That tells me momentum is powerful, but also increasingly stretched. Now moving into the weekly chart, this is where the structure becomes very important. The market created multiple imbalance zones during this vertical breakout. The first major support area sits around 500, which is now the key psychological level bulls need to defend. Below that, the most important continuation zone sits around 460 to 470. That's the area where momentum really expanded aggressively higher. If Soxx pulls back into that zone and buyers defend it, the broader uptrend likely stays healthy. But if price starts losing 460 with conviction, that's where I think broader market risk increases significantly for the triple Qs and tech. Now on the daily chart, momentum is still clearly bullish. Bulls remain fully in control right now. But this type of vertical movement usually becomes unstable eventually because price is moving too far away from equilibrium. Right now, 520 to 525 is active price discovery with no historical resistance overhead. But underneath price, traders should be watching 500 as the first major support, 460 to 470 as the primary continuation zone, and then 400 to 420 as the larger imbalance area if momentum cools aggressively. And below all of that, 360 to 370 remains the major long-term structural breakout level from the monthly chart. So overall, the trend remains bullish, no question. But this chart is also warning that momentum is becoming crowded and extended after a near parabolic move higher. This is not the type of structure where traders should blindly chase strength after multiple expansion candles. Healthy bull trends usually pause, consolidate, and reset before continuing higher. So now the big question becomes, can Soxx build support above 500, or does momentum finally begin cooling into those lower imbalance zones? Because if semiconductors weaken materially, the broader market probably follows shortly afterward. Stay sharp. Ciao.